In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to an Instagram page using Facebook Business Suite. To get started, open Meta Business Suite on your desktop and log in using your business credentials. Make sure you are signing into the correct business account, especially if you manage more than one. This is important because permissions are assigned at the business level. And you want to be certain you are updating the right account before sending any invitations. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the menu on the left-hand side and find the Settings option. It's represented by a gear icon and is usually located near the bottom left corner of the screen. Click that to open your business settings area, where you can manage users, permissions, and connected assets like Instagram accounts. From there, go to Users and then click on People. This section shows everyone who currently has access to the business account. If you need to give someone new access, head to the top right corner and click Invite People. This will open the invitation window where you can begin entering the new user's details. Now, type in the email address connected to that person's personal Facebook account. It's important that the email matches the one they actually use for Facebook, since that's how Meta links the invitation to their profile. Double-check the spelling before moving forward to avoid delays or confusion. Next, you will see permission options. To make this person an admin, turn on the full control toggle. This gives them complete access to manage the assigned business assets, so only use this setting for someone you trust to help oversee the account. If you are unsure, it's always a good idea to review access levels carefully before sending the invite. After that, click Next. You will then be asked to choose which business assets this person can manage. Select your Instagram account from the list. This step makes sure their admin access applies to the correct Instagram profile and not just the business account in general. Take a moment to review everything you've selected, including the person's email address, the permission level, and the Instagram asset you assigned. If everything looks correct, click Send Invitation. At that point, the invitation will be sent, and the person will need to accept it from their side before they gain access. If they don't see it right away, they may need to check their Facebook notifications or email associated with their account. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.